Hey, what's up guys? So the watch face that I'm reviewing today is called MD201 from Matteo Dini. Another very cool watch face from this guy, and it's a digital watch face with digital time here. And what I really like about it is the accent lines that you see here that makes it very prominent, gives it a very nice character. Now, one of the features of this watch face that I really like is how all the information is laid out. It's very logical and you can clearly find the information that you're looking for, whether it's date, day, time, whatever it is. And another feature is these accent lines that you can see, these red and blue accent lines. They give this watch face a bit of a character as well. Let's take a look at all the information that's available. We have got digital time here. In between we get the seconds and then AM PM option here. Just at the top you get the date and July, which is the month, day here. We get the day of the year, week of the year as well. So that's all your calendar covered at the top. We come at the lower half of the watch face. We've got steps here, we've got weather information here, and then we have heart rate here. On the edges we get some options for complications. So the information is very logically laid out, and here we get the always on display version where the accents change to blue, and now you know that you are in the always on display. It still shows you all the information on the watch face. Now let's take a look at the customization options. So if we go in customize here, we have background option, color option, and complications. So not too many options, but let's go through them one by one. So we have background options. Here you can change all the accent colors in one go, so you can set whatever you like. Okay, this one is also very nice. Then we have colors. This changes the color of all the information that's available: day, date, time, and weather information. So here this one looks really cool. And then finally we have complications that you can add. You can add app shortcuts, Bixby, recent apps, a lot of fitness stuff can be added as well. So you can add all of these complications here. You get the option to add 5. And this is the final look of our watch face. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I'll put the link of this watch face in the description below if you want to check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.